Today I'm with Wendy Wallace of Lighthouse Financial, and we're talking about the banking industry. You know, earlier this year there was this talk of these banks in California that had failed, and what is going on with the banking industry?
So you're right, Sarah. In early March, Silicon Valley Bank out in California basically had to close its doors under the weight of too many people trying to get their deposits out. And also there was some mismanagement of funds. And then shortly thereafter, there were a couple of other banks that ran into problems. And, you know, sometimes this leads people to worry about not only the banks, but their investments, because there are trillions of dollars in these brokerage firms.
So Wendy, that brings up a point. Has an investment bank or brokerage house ever failed?
Well, actually, yes. In 2008 and 2009, Bear Stearns went bankrupt, and then shortly thereafter, the fourth largest institution in the U.S., Lehman Brothers, failed. These are some scary things, but this was because of the subprime mortgage or the housing bubble burst.
So aren't these financial institutions regulated?
We hope so, right? But, you know, the thing about it is there are two federal regulatory agencies, and they make the rules as to how these investment firms can manage their assets. So there's also something called the SIPC, which basically does insure investments per person at these different institutions.
I still have a lot of anxiety. What should I do if I'm worried?
Well, if you have a financial advisor, you should really sit down with them, because there's nothing that's going to insure you against stock market volatility.
Right.
Or you also can call our firm. We stay up on top of all of these things going on, the legislative risk, and we'd be glad to answer any questions for you.
Great. Thank you, Wendy. Lighthouse Financial is a great local resource. If you'd like more information, there is a QR code on your screen.